everybody? I'm back and do another burp video for you guys. I know it's been time since I've been on here. I don't even know why I haven't been on, but yeah, these all started out as like kind of like jokes and shit. Like I wasn't really like putting them out there to like actually go like try to get my videos out there, but like mad people are like subscribing and well, not even subscribing, like commenting and shit and inboxing me and like just being mad supportive and telling me to put up some more videos and shit. So I mean, may as well give you guys some more videos. I haven't burped in a while, so let's see how it goes. Whew.
What's good?
If anybody ever wants to like do like a burp off or like any of that kind of shit, just inbox me and I'll go send you like my Skype like username or whatever, any of that shit, and then like I mean we can go from there. I'll try to give you guys a good one. Alright, anyways, like, share, subscribe, inbox me, all that good shit. Alright, see ya.